Welcome to my allotment diary for the first week of August 2019. We've had a bit of rain to wash out July. Not as much as Swaledale in North Yorkshire, but we did have gale force winds, took out a few trees, and I thought my fence was going to go again from the last gale winds, but I rushed out with a temporary brace and saved the day. Eldest daughter was a bit concerned, rang me from work. Could I go to the plot and check if the poly cloche she erected Sunday is still in position? It was, and I added a few weights just in case, and took pictures and emailed. For subscribers interested in the geranium leaf weed killer, it zapped the individual shoot dead, but new shoots have appeared a week later. In its favour, with the weed in this position, not enough room to apply a trowel, so keep persevering, Michael, keep persevering. This time of the year, the first job on the first day of the week is harvest the week's veg, starting with the potatoes. And as last week's tour showed, my Cara were ready for a reveal. Not as productive as the nading, but notice the compost is a bit light, so that could be down to me. Again, following on from the tour, the calabrese heads had enlarged to a good size. Runner beans were in full production mode and a few carrots were lifted. Not a bad harvest this week. The main task this week is to unravel the chicken wire of the fence, separating it from the rabbit fence and the restraining wires. I call it a rehearsal for learning how to knit fog. This section of my fence is original, with repair on repair. The anti-rabbit mesh in the ground has years of couch and bindweed intertwined into a solid mass. This is a slow and tedious job, and for the most part requires the wearing of gloves. I have the intention of putting 2 more gates in, and to give me some idea of how to divide the fence line, I've marked an 8-foot distance. This tool chest will have to be moved, but before I do that, the hedge will require trimming. That's this one, the south. That's where the tool chest is going to go. This post has got that many staples, it's got more than Ryman's. This is the hard work. Only one way is to grit one's teeth and get stuck in. Gloves, Michael. Where's the gloves? Get the gloves on. If the council's grass cutting contractor had not cut the mesh at ground level, I could have tied in a new or part existing mesh to it. But they have, and I can't. This mesh has been laid vertically in a slit trench. The easiest method, but not the best. It should have been bent at 90 degrees underneath the path, which stops the rabbits burrowing down under the fence. As the path is not mine, I bend the mesh 90 degrees into my plot. It still works and does the job. Chicken wire is now free, so I can roll it up, get it out of the way and move on. Scrape up the dead grass and weeds. Burn what we can. Which brings us to the end of a 2-hour morning stint. Next 2-hour stint, we'll spend it trimming the hedge back. Can't reach, I'll have to prepare the ground so I can put some steps up. That's better. This is where the toolbox is going. I don't want brambles and hornbeam growing up behind the box, so I'm attaching remnants of pallets to the farmer's fence to form a barrier. A bit like dry stone walling, picking up a piece of timber instead of stone and asking, where will this go? Trying it, and if it fits, nail or screw it in position. What about behind the dog kennel, I hear you say? Well, I'm going to do that later. The priority is to move the toolbox. ground slopes down at this point, so a floor made of a couple of pallets to sit the toolbox on. And what about the pallet wall? Protect it with a preservative? And if so, what colour? Or just a plain brown or green? The dark shade makes it look further away, the light colour nearer. My thoughts are to make this a grassed area for sitting out and relaxing. So what do you think? Please share and comment, and thank you for watching. Please do like and share this video, and also subscribe to my channel if you've not already done so. And when subscribing, please do remember to press on the little bell to get an alert every single time I upload a new video. Again, thank you very much for watching. Please take care, and until next time, bye!